First time I'm checking out Michael's blade inside a lightsaber. I really like the way this looks, and what Derek did from Civilized Sabers, built this lightsaber and installed it with certain fonts and stuff like that and certain blade styles. So I'm kind of taking a look at this blade style for the first time, and I'm seeing like waves of color. Hey there, Saber friends, Space Windu here from Civilized Sabers. I've got a brand new blade to show you today. This one is for Michael, and it is indeed very special. I've never built a clear quad star like this. Usually I put the quad star inside of a trans white tube from KR Sabers or Saber Armory. Michael requested a clear quad star. So we've got the clear blade tip on this as well. There's actually some foam underneath that blade tip. I put 7/8 inch foam inside that parabolic blade tip, and I also added the foam from the Saber Armory for 1-inch blades throughout this 1-inch blade. It's also got some other diffusion methods like nylon diffuser from the Custom Saber Shop, and it's got a layer of heat shrink over the LEDs, which are connected to the quad core. The quad core is the center of a quad star. It's what holds the 4 pixel strips on inside this blade, and this blade has 500 LEDs. So let's go ahead and see how it looks inside my new Heart of Siberia lightsaber that I just got. Thank you to Derek from Civilized Sabers who constructed this lightsaber for me. I'm going to try not to tighten the thumb screw too much because this is a clear blade. Now what I've done is I've sanded the bottom of this blade just a little bit, just in case when Michael gets it, it's a little bit hard to put into Michael's lightsaber. So I did sand just the very, very bottom of this blade, just to make it easy for Michael to get it into his lightsaber, but it actually slides quite easily into my lightsaber, so I really hope that, that Michael has the same thing. Now I'm not going to tighten the thumb screw too much, which won't allow me to swing it around too crazy, but I don't want to indent Michael's blade, so I'm just going to turn my thumb screw a little bit. And I won't swing it too crazy, that way it won't come disconnected. Inside this Heart of Siberia lightsaber is the battery, which is an 18650. That's what kind of comes with all of your NeoPixel lightsabers. That's kind of the base battery. If your saber has like a 21700, you're gonna get a little more runtime. Wow. Oh, this is a weird kind of white. Now, this is like the first time I'm using this saber as well. First time I'm checking out Michael's blade inside a lightsaber. I really like the way this looks, and what Derek did from Civilized Sabers, built this lightsaber. Kind of taking a look at this blade style for the first time, and I'm seeing like waves of color, within the white. So I'm seeing like blue and pink, and it's like running up the blade. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. Now, there is a little bit of corn cobbing inside. When I look real close, I can see that because normally I'd have more diffusion. But it's, oh wow, like I'm looking in a mirror behind the camera there, and it just looks crazy, like real. What do you guys think? Write me a comment and tell me what you think of this, and don't forget to subscribe to Civilized Sabers YouTube. I make a video for every single lightsaber blade that we make. Wow, Derek, awesome lightsaber. I am going to review this lightsaber on my Space Windu channel. Make sure you're subscribed at Civilized Sabers and also at my Space Windu channel. I do review lightsabers from time to time when I get a new one. This one's pretty awesome, so I'm going to do a review on this. I really like what I'm seeing on this Quad Star. I'm trying to find something wrong with it as a test. So let's go ahead and check out a different color, different font.
Blue crossguard.
This lightsaber is powered by Profi board. Ooh, nice blue. Wow. That blue in the mirror just looks so electric. And there's a pulse running up as well. You can probably tell as a blade style. The tip looks really nice on this. Like I said, I'm trying not to swing it around too much because I don't want to have to indent the blade. Normally what I do is I will tighten the thumb screw and I can swing customer's blade because I'll sand it again after. But on a clear blade, you don't sand it, so. That looks nice.
Green crossguard.
Woo! Oh, the green. The green, I feel it. I feel the energy touching my face on this green. Like my face is like getting hit with the light of this. Woo! Oh my! Oh Lord! I think I like the clear Quad Star. Whoa! Oh, I should not be looking at this, you guys. Like, oh my! Like, can you tell how bright that is? Oh my Lord! You know what? I'm going to get my light meter real quick. I just need to get a number on that. That is crazy. Okay, so I've got my light meter right here. I really need to find out how bright that is. That is pretty ridiculous. Oh, I can't even look at it. It's, what does it say as a max? I don't know. It's saying 20,000. I know the screen's not that bright anymore right here, but it says 20,000 as a max, and it says 16,000, 15,000 as a 17,000 as a average. Wow. Oh my Lord. This is bright, you guys. I don't know if the screen here is not bright, but the saber is bright. Okay. All right, let's check out one more blade color and then we will end the video.
Yellow crossguard.
Ooh, let's see what yellow is like. That's gonna take a lot of energy. Ooh. Now on this 32-inch long blade, one of the reasons why I don't like to make them any longer than 32 is because you will see a color drop off, especially on yellow. I'm not noticing that at all here because, like I said, I keep it to 32 inches, and if it was any longer, it would maybe start to turn orange toward the end, okay? Because the battery on a normal lightsaber cannot push the energy up to the top, but in this case it can. So the color is very even throughout. That's a nice yellow. That is a nice yellow. Wow. Ooh. I feel like I'm in the video game. Very cool. All right, well, if you haven't done so already, push that thumbs up button. It really helps the video. Subscribe right here to Civilized Sabers. And I'm gonna keep testing this, and I'm gonna send it out to Michael tomorrow. So I hope you all have a great day. Savor the moment, and I'll talk to you in the next video.
weapon of a Jedi.
Then I am a Jedi.